The sun filtered through the movable screens, casting shifting patterns of light and shadow across the smooth concrete floor. This was not just a house, it was a carefully composed experience, a testament to the power of thoughtful, contained design. Stepping into Founding Principal David Montalba's personal residence, the first thing one noticed was the profound sense of spatial layering. The concrete base of the lower level acted as a steadfast anchor, a solid foundation against the vibrant, sometimes overwhelming, energy of Los Angeles. Above this base, the upper volume seemed to float, a graceful, light-filled box hovering over the ground-level living quarters. This visual interplay of mass and lightness, of earthbound security and airy openness, was the home's quiet conversation with the neighborhood it sought to respect. The true genius, however, was in the deliberate isolation and connection achieved by the vertical courtyard. This three-story void was more than a light well, it was the home's beating, luminous heart, a connective thread weaving together all three levels. Even the subterranean basement was granted a share of the Californian sun, pulled down by the clever geometry of the courtyard. This design choice elegantly solved one of the biggest challenges of the site, maximizing space and light while maintaining crucial privacy from immediate neighbors. The courtyard drew the focus inward, creating a series of private gardens and sightlines directed toward the serene backyard, reserving moments of simplicity and poetry for the inhabitants alone. This masterful composition extended to the home's very skin. Inspired by the clean lines of Swiss design and the spirit of Southern California, the materials were chosen not just for aesthetics, but for their interaction with the environment. The louvered screens and specialized glazing created a dynamic, abstract separation from the world outside. Yet, this wasn't just about beauty, it was about responsibility. The home integrated robust, sustainable systems. Cross-ventilation swept across the footprint, enhanced by the evaporative cooling effect of the strategically placed pool, which channeled a cool air corridor through the main family living area. From collected rainwater to solar panels and a thermal mass basement providing stable temperatures, the vertical courtyard house wasn't just built to look good, it was built to live lightly. A subtle and sophisticated blend of craft, climate control, and profound respect for its place in the world.